is Andrea, and today I'm coming at you with, she ran up the stairs, my new releases for this week. I have 3 new collections for you guys. There is going to be one of those die cut gifts with purchase like we did not last week, but the week before. The last one I did was this little like Disney inspired TN, and then this one I will talk about once we get to the collection that it has to do with. So let's get into it. I don't have a picture of that die cut. I will have a picture of it on Instagram probably tomorrow evening. So stay tuned for that. Well, Thursday evening. I'll probably just put this up today if I get it edited in time. So this collection here is called Spring Break. This was actually last year's March Mystery. It got a humongous makeover. I love it so much. It's so like, I don't know, I feel like it's a little bit more of a calm version because last one had like glitter boxes and was like kind of crazy. So I really like how it looks. I think it's really fun to be able to take the art and kind of like make it different. And even though it's like the same art, there are some pieces from different collections. Some of them are exclusive items from other exclusive collections I had with this artist, and some of them are like items that were in their shop. So we'll go ahead and go through this one first. So this is called Spring Break. I'm so excited for this one. I don't know what I'm going to use it for. I wanted to go to like the beach this year. I don't know if it's going to happen, but I know next year for my birthday, I think I'm going to do like a little girls weekend type thing to like Cancun or something. I don't know. I'm still undecided, but I have this first little freebie with the munchkins, the icons, and other items on there. Then on the front, you have your deco, which is so cute, so perfect for sprinkling. On the top, the little girls down here, you have a champagne, one with a little sparkler, and then one with a face mask. I love these colors. I think it's so fun. Everything pretty much has changed as far as like the colors and the full boxes. If you guys have the old one or used it or got it, you'll know that this is very, very different from what was before. Your headers, your little things. The ombre hair checklist I did leave pretty simple just because I do feel like even though this is a way more calmed down version of what the last year's mystery looked like, I still feel like it is a little bit busy, so I left those blank. And there's not a ton of glitter in here, so I didn't want to overload those with glitter or anything like that. So I really like the sand background ones. I think it really breaks it up. I love like these photo set ones where it looks like the girl is taking a picture of things. And you have a girl here and a girl here, both in the pool, different kind of looks going on. Really just love this. I think it's super, super cute. And then you also have another girl over here. So there's a total of like 4 kind of girls. You got a hand. I kind of count those as girls. And I just think she looked so cute. And then you have your faux looking double washi, which I thought this looked kind of really cool, especially with that sand. So it kind of pulls in the sand from the full boxes with then the seashells on it, which looks super cute, than the floral, because I feel like those are kind of the 2 most like common like theme in this kit. And then on the background of the little date covers, which these are the date covers, not the strips, you have the little bit of like a sand pattern, which I think looks so cute. I don't even know what color foil I would pull into this. Maybe like pink and green, just because I feel like it would be so fun, or champagne or silver, or I don't know. I don't feel like it's a gold kit, but I feel like it might be like a silver kit. But I've been loving pulling in the foil if you guys have been watching my plan with me's, but I'm definitely going to use this probably this year, and then if I reformat it next year, I'll use it for my birthday thing. I'll probably use a birthday kit for my birthday thing. Who knows? Then I have a mini kit version. The mini kit versions usually do sell out the fastest. How's my camera almost at? It was at 32%. I might have to come back and finish this later, but you have the same full boxes, the same functional page, and then your mini kit exclusive pages. You still have quite a bit of deco over there, and I love this bottom washi. Like I said, I love that floral. I think it's so pretty. So that is the mini kit version of the Spring Break kit. I'm so happy that you guys love the bloom kit. I cannot believe how many I had to overstock. I think I had to overstock 200 or 220 or 250. I don't even remember. It was something crazy. I think it was like 250. But I was just blown away. I already have 4 more photo kits in the works for you guys, so definitely stay tuned. I think one comes out next week. So excited. And then we also have the option if you want to add on the glitter headers, and if you want to add on the personal washi, which is so cute. I didn't do any fashion girls just because there's so many in the kit already. So that is the first collection, which is called Spring Break. I don't even know if I should start the next collection because I feel like I'm going to need to like turn it off. But this collection is by J. Crew Plans. This is art drawn for her, so it's exclusive to Scribble Prints Co. And then like this art is mostly exclusive. I did pull in some non-exclusive art, but the majority of it is exclusive. So this is the kind of graduation themed one. We've been having a graduation theme requested for so long. It's just I didn't have a lot of custom spots available, but I've been working with so many artists recently that I've been able to do more art that I've been wanting to do, but I know like this doesn't like really fit everyone, so I didn't want to like use a custom art spot, if that makes any sense. I think it does. But I do have a lot of spots open, so I've been able to do some more themes that have been requested but have like a smaller audience, if that makes any sense. So I really love this. I think Jessica did a really good job on it. This kit and then her next one, which her next one comes out I think either next week or the week after that, I don't know. But she's been doing really like an amazing job. I love the hat in this. It's probably my favorite part. So you have your freebie on top, your girls on the bottom has the face mask, the balloon, and the champagne. That took me way longer than I thought. I actually had like plugged in my camera and then came back like 10 minutes later and it said battery exhausted, and I looked and it wasn't actually plugged into like the brick, and then I like went back and then how does that even know that worked? Oh, I have an extension cord in the brick, so I plugged it into the brick, and then I came back half an hour later and it wasn't plugged into like extension cord. Thank goodness the extension cord was plugged into the wall. But I did set up my B6 and it looks so pretty with this kit. If you guys missed this last week restock, it's going to be restocked on Monday again. Well, I'm just going to put up more for you guys on MoreSPC.com, but if you guys want to see a setup with this, I did this really simple in 5 minutes, like literally 5 minutes I put it together. But let me know in the comments down below. This is like an at-home planner, and I think that'll make a little bit more sense, like, or a home planner. But it'll make more sense once I show you guys. But let me know in the comments if you guys want to see that. But let's go back to the graduation kit. Hats off. So you have your freebie, you have your deco, which again, like I said, I think Jessica did an amazing job. Her next one too, like, it's so good. And then the one she's working on right now, I think she mentioned in her plan with me that she like spent like 12 hours maybe, or 6 hours on one item, and it's like so good. There's little streamers in the background, which I think is super cute. You have your glitter half boxes, and then you have again with the streamers, these are like in gold for the washi, the little things, and the solid washi. On here I did 7 boxes with this. You kind of see it better in the black, but you can see it really good in person. The like grads throwing their hats up, and then this one I put the confetti just because you usually only need 7 like in the week if you're going to use them that way, and then you have 1 for the sidebar just so those all match. Here are your gorgeous full boxes, which are so cute. I love them so much. And then you have your extra full box here, and then your bottom washi, which I kept kind of plain with the balloons, the marble, and then you have the gold glitter with the date covers, which I just think is so cute. And that is the Hats Off Ultimate Kit. There is also an option if you do want to get it in the mini kit. This is such a cute kit. I'm just like so excited, and it's kind of like a bummer because I'm like, when am I going to use this? But I think I'm actually going to use it for Jessica's sister's her graduating, just because like I need someone who's graduating soon, and Jessica's not going to be graduating until like 2020, and I don't know when Nick's going to graduate with his bachelor's, so and I'm sure I can come up with another one by then. This is the mini kit. Super cute. Again, Jessica did an awesome job. So that one's super cute. And then also if you want to pick this up, the glitter sampler. I love the black glitter. I think it's so pretty. And then there's also the option if you want to add on the personal washi, and that is the Hats Off Ultimate Mini Glitter Sampler and personal washi. And then we have Marvelous, which is such a cute collection. I love it so much. I actually have journaling cards on the way that have all of these fashion girls. They're so cute, and I'm probably going to add those next week to the shop if you guys want to pick them up, but I'm probably going to put them in with orders. There is 3 of them. You're only going to get like 1 in an order, and I don't know when I'll probably start them with this release, but I'll put them up next week if you want to pick up like all 3 girls. I did them the same way that I did this girl here and the other girl I did in the February mystery, except for the girl's a little bit smaller and there's a gold border, which is super cute, I think, especially with the gold accents in all of the girls' stuff. So I will have more information on those postcard journaling cards next week. So this is going to be the die cut here. It's the little mauve planner. It's going to be obviously way bigger than that, but it's going to be the first 200 people on Friday at noon Eastern. So every order for the first 200 will get that, just like the way that I did the TN here. And I think I'm going to start doing that every week. So this week will be that one, and I'll also be putting them in the shop. So I'll have the 200 that will get them with their order. If you order, I feel like I'm confusing myself. So the first 200 people will get them for free in their order, and then they'll also be in the shop just in case you want to purchase an extra one or you want to purchase one. They'll be in there as well. So I hope that makes sense. I think it does. So let's go ahead and get into this. I love the colors in this, the mauves with like the blue and then the like blush color. It's so pretty. Then you have your deco. I love this deco. I love the Prada bags. They're so pretty. The little coffees and the planners. Those are probably my favorite pieces. But I also do love the mug and the shoes. I really love everything. And then you have your little scribblers on the bottom. You have one with champagne, one with nail polish, and then one wearing just a dress. I did put some of this like glitter dots in the background here, and then you have a gold glitter weekend banner. Super cute. Again, the gold dots are very much a theme. The what are these? These are the ombre heart checklist, but they do have the marble and the gold glitter in the background with the mauve colored hearts. These are the full boxes, which are super duper cute. I love them so much. I love these girls. I just think they're so fun, and like I love it. I love everything that Jess does. So that is Jessica. This is Jess. Jess does art, and it's kittenish girl plans. But I love her stuff. She's so like inclusive, and I just love it so much. So super cute. Just love everything about it. And then you have your bottom washi, which I did some glitter bows, which we had little bows like this for our $3 Thursday. Well, we're going to have it. I'm going to have this up before that, but depending on when you watch, that might be over. So you will have the option on the $3 Thursday to get little the pink glitter bows, which are super cute. So I added those on there just because I thought it kind of went with the theme. And then you have the marble in the background of that with the paint strokes with the glitter on top, glitter date covers, and then you have your extra box with the Prada bag, which is super super cute. I love this collection like so much. Like I'm ready to use it. Kind of debating on using this for the week that I'm going to Define and Flourish. I was going to use the Cyber Monday mystery, but I feel like I'm like saving that one for like something real special, guys. So I might use this instead. And I think this one also, I mean, both of them have like, I feel like Valentine's Day, February vibes, but I feel like I just really want to use this one like ASAP. And I love the fashion girls, and I can't wait for those to come in. And I will definitely show you guys a picture on Instagram as soon as they do, and I'll show them in the next new release video. So there'll be one of those fashion girls in every order until we like run out. And then I'll also have them in the shop if you want to purchase all three of them, because they're absolutely gorgeous. So this one is the mini kit. So you have the freebie. I feel like I'm honestly confused myself. I'm like losing on my brain power. The full boxes, the functional, the page with the half boxes, and then the bottom washi, your deco, and stuff like that. I'll go ahead and explain everything again at the end and kind of like refresh just so that we can all get on the same page. And then there's also two different glitter options. I haven't done this in a while, but I feel like this kit, you really needed the option because I think that the gold glitter is going to be really pretty. I'm probably going to use the gold glitter and then do gold foil accents, but I think that this is also like a really gorgeous option. Like I feel like I couldn't have done this one and then not done this one, and I couldn't have done this one and not done this one. So there are two options. So you can do like the mauve-y, really pretty muted colors, or you could go full on gold, which is probably what I'll do. But I think they're both really pretty options. And then you also have the personal washi if you want to add that on as well. So that's everything for this week. Again, we have the reformat of last year's March mystery, which is really gorgeous. Let me zoom you guys out. We have the graduation kit, which is called Hats Off, which is exclusive art. And then we also have this one, which is Marvelous, which is just absolutely gorgeous, and I just can't wait to use it. So again, let me recoup everything. And just, that's probably not the right word either. Let's go over everything again. So we have these three collections coming to the shop at Friday at noon Eastern. We do have a gift with purchase for the first 200 orders starting Friday at noon Eastern, which will be that little TN die cut, that little mauve one, which I will post a picture of on Instagram. I will have more of those available in shop, so if you want to purchase extra, you can do that as well. I did have journaling cards, which are 4x6 journaling cards, just like the ones you get in orders, made with all 3 of these girls on here. So if you do want to purchase those, I will have all 3 of them available next week, just because I want to quality check them and everything before I list them, and I don't have them yet, but I'll be putting those in orders. So you'll get 1 in your orders for this release. If you want all 3 of them and you're just absolutely in love with them, they'll be available next week. So that is everything. If you guys have any questions, which you might, I'll answer them down below like always, just because I feel like I'm a little all over the place today. I got up really early and went to work and busted out so many orders. Today's Tuesday. A lot of you guys probably got shipping notifications, but I hope you guys like this video. On Friday, I will have my Pocket TN flip through, which I think a lot of you guys are really excited about. I also want to know if you guys want to see a flip through of my B6 with the new birthday setup. So I will talk to you guys in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching and dealing with my crazy, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.